Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today we're back at the Shangri-La Hotel Singapore, this time to check out their premier 131-room Valley Wing. The Valley Wing has its own driveway and towering lobby, accentuated by an impressive oriental mural at least 8 meters tall. For those interested in the main lobby or the Garden Wing, check out my other video on the Shangri-La Hotel. Links in the video description below. The Valley Wing features a classical theme which extends to the bedroom decor. Stepping into the 57 square meter Valley Wing Deluxe Room, we are greeted by an ample walk-in wardrobe that has a convenient sitting area. The walk-in wardrobe leads to a spacious bathroom. A marble-topped double vanity sits immediately to the left. Simple touches like the VW printed caps imparts a sense of prestige. Next to the double vanity is a large bathtub. Bath amenities in Valley Wing rooms are by L'Occitane, a nice upgrade over the regular Shangri-La branded products found in other hotel wings. There is a rain shower with separate shower wand. And lastly is an enclosable WC. Heading back out, there is a minibar counter with plenty of complimentary bottled water, as well as a whopping 6 complimentary Nespresso capsules. A fresh fruit platter was also provided as a welcome amenity. Below the minibar counter, you will find elaborate gold-rimmed teapot and cups, sachets of Shangri-La branded teas, as well as a mini fridge. Moving on, the room features a large king-sized bed flanked by side tables and desk lamps. The bed was a tad firm for our liking. Next to the bed is the living area, comprising a 2-seater sofa and an armchair. The room we were in had a view of the pool. Next, there is a sturdy dark wood-grained writing desk. Additional Valley Wing labeled items emphasize the exclusivity of the accommodation. Perhaps the biggest letdown is the relatively small-sized television. Given the size of the room and the distance to the bed, a 40-inch television just won't cut it. Next to the TV is a dressing table with a well-lit, large portrait mirror. Lastly, let's head out and explore the highlight of the Valley Wing. The Summit Room is an exclusive area reserved for Valley Wing guests and located next to the hotel lobby. It is used to serve breakfast in the morning. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the Valley Wing at the Shangri-La Hotel. See you in the next one.